Okay, so when you do cutting, there's different ways to go about creating fused pieces. Now, fused pieces are those on pants which actually require, well, not just pants, but any kind of garment that requires extra reinforcement. So, for example, here you're looking at a what we call a block fuse, which is the fabric, different colors here, along with what we call the interfacing or the pellon. And this pellon here actually provides more reinforcement. We actually fuse the pellon to the fabric to actually give it more heft. Okay, so you can see here this is what we call a fly extension, and some welt pocket pieces. And also along the waistband we'll have some reinforcement. So normal pieces that actually get fusing are, collars, collar stands, waistbands, front plackets, cuffs. So it really depends on what it is that you're creating that we will have interfacing for you. I use interfacing, pellon, fusing interchangeably, just so you know. So normally in how we cut is we actually create what we call block fuse. So we actually create this block here, and we actually fuse it together first. And then once it's fused, then our cutter actually cuts out the individual pieces. Because if you can imagine, if we cut out each one of these pieces and then we actually fuse it separately, that's much more tedious and much more labor intensive work for our finishing and trimming lady. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What, did I count that right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 pieces. When we fuse it once, we cut it and we're done. Whereas if you actually cut it and fuse it separately, then it's nine cuts and then 9 fuses, which is a lot more tedious instead of 1 fuse and 9 cuts. All right, so depending on where you go for your markers, I would always recommend suggesting that you get a block fuse, which kind of saves you on time and also saves you on money.